my skids here. I got this Sunday. I'm gonna do a bike check and review. It's a 2016 Haro Reserve, Steel Reserve, 1.1. I got it used with a different fork, not a stock fork. It's the Manitou Circus. Most of the stuff is stock. There's a lot of new stuff like the front wheel, the front fork, and the back brake are all not stock. Otherwise, most things are stock. It's a great bike. Honestly, if you wanted to get something new and not used, and you had that money to get something new, this thing is a great bike to get new. It's a Haro Steel Reserve 1.1. Check their site out. It's got a good drivetrain. Has okay pedals that come with it. I much prefer Odyssey plastic pedals. These ones are metal with the metal nodes sticking out. Still good pedals. Just if you slip, you'll tear your shit off. I think it's a great bike to buy new and mod out. I'm thinking about getting new bars. I can update on that. I want to get some Adam Lab Pimp Light bars, same as my front wheel. My front wheel is an Adam Lab Pimp Light. Adam Lab makes some good stuff. Expensive. I'm probably just gonna go to a bike swap soon, so I can get some stuff from that. Stock Haro seat. I decided to put the stock seat on for the review. I'll show you what I usually run. Here, I had to get a different seat post. The guy gave me a different seat post. It's what I usually run. Ritchie Logic. Pretty nice. It has that divot in there, so like you can put it farther down. Good seat. I'm gonna get something different though. I don't like that seat so much. It's kind of painful. Comes with this stiff fork, chromoly stiff fork. The whole thing is chromoly, by the way. Frame's chromoly, the handlebars are chromoly, stem isn't chromoly, cranks are chromoly. Pretty much everything. The guy said something about the rear cog being chromoly, but that doesn't matter that much, I don't think. Just affects how fast it wears. The thing's great. If you have the kind of money to buy a new one, go ahead. I think a good idea would be to get this fork if you wanted suspension. It helps. And you don't really need suspension. I accidentally hit some of the jumps. Actually, we went jumping today. Accidentally hit some of the jumps with the suspension locked out because I was doing the pump track. So I locked it out, but it didn't feel. I cased some, so it didn't feel so bad. I think I might take out the front brake, get a legitimate front brake, or just leave the no front brake. But I'd have to take off the grips, and that's a pain. As you can see, that wheel's extremely nice. It's got some Shimano OEMs, Dior's, I think. Doesn't say because they're OEMs. It just says Shimano. They're Dior's, but they're OEMs, so they don't say. Good hydraulic brakes, really strong. Never had a new bike. They've all been like old and never worked on, taken terrible care of. So this thing's great. If you want to get one, go for it. Yeah, good for dirt jumping. It's kind of cool because you can do a little bit of trials on it. If I took the seat out, it looks like a trials, except for the fork, but I'll show you some stuff. I can't do much, but yeah. Right now I can back wheel hop for a little bit. Let's see if I can get it this try. It's pretty easy. The frame is pretty aggressive. The seat you don't sit on unless you're like coasting down a hill, but it's there so you don't smack your knees against the top tube. It's good for manuals. It's got the horizontal dropouts in the back, stock wheel in the back, 10 to K rides. pretty nice tires. 2.3. More about this fork. I'll show you the adjustments. So it's got preload, just how easy you can push it all the way down. You can put it firm and soft. It's got this absolute hardness here. You can go all the way to lockout, right? And then you can go midway, which is just kind of hard. It's pretty much, it almost just adjusts the two. I mean, it doesn't actually do it, but it's like adjusting these two. So it's got the rebound down here, which is how fast it'll shoot back up. It's got hard, and then it's got soft. I run everything soft usually, unless I'm trying to learn a manual, or obviously I can just lock it out for like pumps and pump tracks and pumping. It's got these grips, they're pretty good. They don't wear too much. Well, I mean, they wore a lot, so in the past few weeks, in the past week, I've been riding this thing around a lot, so considering I have school and stuff, I'm probably gonna get new nice grips that'll last a while. Plus, get lock-ons and take them on and off easy. I don't like the regular grips, they're hard to take off. These ones had the flanges. They don't have a line for cutting them off because they're stock grips, I think. But I don't mind the flanges. It's not a BMX bike, so. Yeah, the bike's really good, so if you're thinking about it, I'd go for it. Bye.